So in this Apple Pages tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to add outline to text here on the Pages iPhone application. So once Pages is opened up, I'm just going to go ahead here and type in the word outline. If you wanted to add like a border or an outline to the text right here, it's pretty straightforward. So once your text is selected, I want you guys to go to the top right and press on the paintbrush icon. Once we're on this page, scroll down to where there's like the bold, italicized, the underline, the strike through, and then there's those three dots. Select the three dots. Once we're here, we're going to scroll down a little bit to where it says outline. Go ahead and turn that on. And once we're here, you can go ahead and change the line type as well as the color here. So if you wanted to change the color to, I don't know, let's just go yellow for this example right here. You can go ahead and press the check mark right here. Now I've added some outline to the text here. So if I were to go ahead and make the text a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see, as you can tell, there's the black text with the yellow outline. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to add outline to text here on the Pages iPhone application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.